Hello, hello. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever it might be. Um, we're coming down. Things are coming down. Nasdaq, we're almost at the 100 week. This, I believe, is the 100 week moving average. When we touch the 100 week moving average, I suspect our Bitcoin price will come down. Though there's something interesting happening. What is this line? What is this dotted line here? Is this a trend reversal? Is this a line of support of some kind? It seems to be. Right? It seems to be some kind of line of support. And if you extrapolated this, it becomes very interesting. Because if you go like this, right, what is this? This is like a rising wedge or something. It's one of those things. These guys would talk about it all the time. Right? It's like a rising wedge. And you know what happens? Like the price basically goes like this. It goes, and then here it needs to make a decision whether it's breaking up or it's breaking down. And let's go see what that is. Rising wedge. Yeah, there we go. So it's not exactly what we have, but okay. So it looks like most of these are showing us downtrends, eh? Rising wedge bullers. The rising wedge is a bearish pattern that begins wide at the bottom and okay. So in our situation here, I feel like this is a horizontal line. It doesn't seem like a vertical line. Am I right or am I wrong? Right, that's what I want to know. I think this is a horizontal line. It doesn't seem to be coming up like this. Right. Does not seem to be. Is it coming up like that? I don't know, man. I'm not sure. If it is, then okay. But maybe it is. And so in this case, it would be something like do, and then boom. Okay. I mean, I'm buying into it. I want that to happen, and I think it's going to happen. I mean, I've been seeing it for a while now, right? This is the end game here, that we're going to hit this point, and things are just not going to fly because we've closed below the 50 week, right? And that's it. We've hit the 50 week, and I think we're coming down. This is what it seems like is going to happen, and this is what I think is going to happen, right? I don't think there's any other way around this. Of course, there's ways around it, right? I'm being facetious. Is facetious? I don't know if that's the right word. I'm not going to check. I think we need to go down and close below 25,000 for us to really get it together. All right, until we do that, I don't think this game is real. I think we're going to be doing some nonsense essentially until we do that. And this looks like this ends in April, and so maybe in May is when we can expect this to come down. But I have my buy orders already set, and I'm just gonna wait because I think it's just a matter of time. I think it's important to wait. In a bear market, it doesn't matter what news you get, it's all negative. Like CNBC yesterday, we had the crypto regulation news. It's not even on the front page anymore, right? Biden announced, and that would have been bullish in any other time. In fact, it was quite bullish, right? We had a bit of an up, but generally speaking, everything is going down. Now look at this. McDonald's takes out all its locations in Russia. Guess what that means for the price of McDonald's come earnings season? It's going to come down. So what does that mean for everyone else? No one's going to be happy, right? Generally, markets are going to sink. War is not great if it's not a productive war. And technically, we're not even in a war. We're in a time of uncertainty. People are nervous that nuclear war is going to break out, and iodine, I think it's potassium iodide, is selling out. That's not good sentiment, right? That is not good sentiment. That's not what you want to see. JP Morgan winding down its Russia operation. So all of these I don't know about JP, but all of these retail companies that are winding down are definitely going to have issues, right? They're going to have earnings that are lower than they expect, and this is going to impact the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, all these things. So I think it's just a matter of time. I think we're gonna have to wait and see. And half the game, if not more than half, is being patient, right? Waiting for the right opportunity to show up, because they do. The right opportunity always shows up, but you got to be willing to wait. You got to be willing to be patient. Like if you YOLO all your cash in now, well then guess what? You're not gonna be in a great place, right? You're not gonna be in a great place. What you want to do is what you want to do is not COVID. Even if it is COVID, no big deal. Mask mandates are going down everywhere. LaCroix again. Not a great drink, though. I'm not a huge fan of LaCroix. But what I suspect will happen is we're gonna see we're basically seeing what we did over here. What we saw over here is what I think we're seeing over here, and eventually I think we're gonna just drop off like we did over here, drop off down here, spend some time, and then move back up, right? And I feel like saying it's the unfortunate truth, but it might even be necessary because these people are we've like what's the predominant narrative? That's what you have to watch for. The predominant narrative is probably what we're not going to get, right? The predominant narrative right now is that we're going to break out at some point here and just going to go up, and we're seeing all this bullish trend. Oh my god, this and that. No, it's irrelevant. The you can almost expect the opposite of the predominant narrative to show up. It's really unbelievable. You can expect that. And what I think is going to happen is we're going to go down to 20K, and and I think people will be in denial about that until we get there, because all these people that purchased all of this, and all of this that held, nobody wants to see it. In fact, YouTube is not too happy. I mean, the people on YouTube don't want to see what I'm saying, right? They don't want to hear me talk about negative sentiment. They don't want to hear me say that we're probably going to go down to $20,000, right? People want to hear me say, bullish sentiment, right? Bullish sentiment. Oh yeah, we're going to go to the moon. It's not going to go to the moon. I'll tell you right now, it's highly unlikely that we go to the moon. And what's much more likely is what this green line is right now, right? That is what I think is going to happen. And it's going to be painful, yes, but we're going to have to live through it, right? It's just the way it is. We're just going to have to live through this pain, right? I mean, literally, it's the way it is. And it's like you have to pay some price. If you don't earn it, you don't have it, right? It's not really yours. So we're gonna have to pay this price, and it's fine if we have to pay this price, but you get this opportunity, like this unbelievable opportunity down here, right? Maybe we hit 20, maybe we go a little lower. I'm not sure. My 200-week moving average is not accurate because for whatever reason I'm not able to find a 200-week that let's see if this works. No. Yeah, see, I'm not getting a 200-week here. That's helping. The 100. Oh, the 200. Okay, so for whatever reason, it shows up as a dot, a blip, at 20,000, which is more accurate. I don't know why my EMA. Oh, I see. Simple moving average exponential. I see. So we have a. I have to look into this actually. Yeah. But so if we have a 50-week. SMA, let's see. Let's look at 50-week. 50-week SMA. Oh no, 50-week SMA. Let's see. Do we get what we want? Oh, we get. That's strange. That's a little annoying, isn't it? Like, this is not what I want to see. It would be nice if that's annoying. I don't like that. Whatever's happening there, it's not working for me. 50-week. Okay. I don't find this to be very accurate either because oh, hold on. What is what though? That's what I want to know. Like, what is what? We have 4. We have the 50. Oh, I see. We have more than one, eh? Interesting. Okay, well, I don't know if. Anyways, you get what I'm trying to do here. Bitstamp, horizontal. This is the 200. Bull market support band. Yeah. Okay. I remember us being here and wondering what's going to happen. We're almost down. I feel like we're going to come to the bottom of this at least and probably test down here. right? And I think this is what he's indicating here with these red lines. I'm not sure though. It's not clear. But you get what I'm saying. I don't think we're gonna head to any magical spot anytime soon, right? And it's painful to hear, but it's true, right? Like we've had our big ups, and we're just gonna have to wait to maybe come down heavy and then go back up in a meaningful way. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is the deal now. So let's wait and see. I'll get my 50 weeks fixed, and I'll come back to you guys shortly. See you soon.